Hi, I'm Ken from Wired Watts, and I wanted to show you something about how to program this pixel tester. The pixel tester, when it comes out of the box, as you can see, is only actually going to be controlling 300 lights. We changed that by, we got to take the remote here, and you hold down this settings button until everything turns white. And then you just keep on hitting the mode button over and over again. You'll see everything kind of dims out a little bit. And as you do that and press the settings button again, it will add more pixels to the lineup that's allowed to go on. So I'm going to go through here and I'm going to add all 800 of these pixels. Almost, just one more click. And there you have it.